everybody, welcome. It's gonna be the last day of Captivate Energy Photo Shoot, and I tell you guys, yesterday the weather did shaky, but look how good God is all the time. Look how good God is. Excited about it. Baby, how you feeling? For the vacation? It's a boom. For the vacation.
Vacation is nice.
Yeah.
Excited about today. I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
True.
And it's going to be a very productive day. And I hope we get the shots that we need because yesterday's photo shoot was amazing. So
Then come on strong. We're not
amazing.
Go forward. I got some breakfast and sister morning routine. Hi guys. Sit here in the breakfast in the morning we get curry chicken, callaloo fried dumpling, yam, sweet potato right there. And over here so. And yes or no? Yes. That is a must. What you love? Start going for more food and stuff. No, the morning routine, so steady like a matic. Outside, well, inside. Welcome. Now look what you got, Gertie? Never. Alright, yeah, we have to go follow. Alright guys, so we gotta take a quick stroll on the beach or on the pool. I sis, just there at night time really, because she have work and stuff. So she try to get an early morning swim before she head out, which is like in the next couple of hours. Yeah, everybody out already. A beautiful day. In the energy outside. Photo shoot continues as well. And yeah, big up God every time, right? Alright guys, so we're giving a view of the other pool on the other side. So this is the other side. And this is the view of this pool. So yeah, see that picture right through. This nice, man. Weather, sun, food, energy, Fimi energy. Love it. Yes, yes. Yes, a time I forget in, man.
Yes.
Right there, so, yeah. Bro and cuz, Fit me, Jesus. So, oh. Yeah. Awesome. Mom, say, Mom is still there at the restaurant. Yeah, man. Now I miss a meal. That is it. When you ready?
Life jacket.
And then
Lady.
Oh my. What lifestyle? Oh my. Oh Lord. Right there, so. Yeah. Oh. One of it just lay down your sand and do nothing with it. As the pool open, one of it just come out. Yeah, man. Attraction. Right there, so. No. Hey, water. Careful, you know, right?
Just really.
Actually, water coming in your ball out here to do this school. Tell you see what going on over here. Oh my. Yes, yes, true. This looks like a you. Yeah, man. Morning swimming is the best. Well, splashing around. But you know, Jamaican no signal at all. So you're here after waiting for your float. Guys, seem like everybody having a good time to watch them, you know. Like look and say if they're going in. Getting a tan? What? That's a video right there. Guys, check out the mountain view. We don't get to yesterday, but today kinda, you know, cloudy, rainy. Jesus. So the absolutely beautiful. Right now, as you can see, we have speed walk. Sister supposed to go work, and everybody get in a pool and then thing there. So you can see the rest of the family not with us because they're not gonna take up too much time to everybody get ready to walk her. So we just, you know, walk her ourselves. So them down there still in a pool and then so there was sis.
Yeah.
How was your pool time?
It was good.
Yeah. Yeah.
The work must go on.
The work must go on. There you go. I'm glad you get your time in.
Yeah.
Baby, how was your reunion with sis?
It was good. Big reunion on Saturday.
Yeah, big reunion on Saturday. So look out for that, guys. Until they're not gonna know, alright? Alright, let's go. Let's speed up. Alright, food of the day, guys. The red stripe be right there, so Mr. Moon in the building, you know, baby. Oh, careful, woman. Alright, guys, so we just wanna close off today. Very productive day. Fimi energy photo shoot went well. Then till I say, God really the on side. Very sunny and bright and nice. We get all our shots and everything. And then right now, if you look out there, dark sky, rain or fall. So yeah, everything is good. I know you'll definitely see the photos when I'm up on the website. I will launch it up. Really? How was everything over today? Very pleasant. Alright, guys. If you're going to say, do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, big up the models then. Thank you guys for coming out as well. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah, alright, let's go.